Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Yesterday we have studied about John Dryden. In the previous video we have discussed in detail about John Dryden. So in today's video we are going to learn about all the works of John Milton. He was and he is very important writer of Jacobean age. His time starts from 1608 and ends in 1674. But in 1652 he became blind. He was poet and as well as prose writer. His non-work fiction was also famous. He was civil servant for Commonwealth of England under the Council of State and later under the Oliver Cromwell. He remained civil servant. His works were in 3 different languages: English, Latin and Italian. So basically he wrote in English, but in Latin and Italian also he wrote his works. John Dryden called him the poetical son of Spenser, because as we know, I have discussed in detail about the Edmund Spenser. Edmund Spenser was a famous poet. So Dryden called John Milton the poetical son of Spenser, also called greatest English author. William Haley called John Milton greatest English author. मीनस उन्होंने ये उन्होंने एपीथेट जिहड़े ने प्रोवाइड किए गए सी. Next we come on poetry and drama. First poetry is on the morning of Christ's nativity, 1629, on Shakespeare, 1630, on arriving at the age of 23, 1631. Another 2 poems are famous. They are El Allegro and Tu Penseroso. El Allegro means happy man and Tu Penseroso means melancholy or sad. So opposite mood वालियाँ ये दोनों poems ने. They were written in 1632 and they were pastoral poems. What are pastoral poems? Which poems whose characters related to village and countryside. They are called pastoral poems. So these two were famous poems, and also they were called sister poems. They were called sister poems because of their theme, because of their same year, because of their same type. Next one is Comus, a masque presented at the Ludlow Castle in 1634. Next one is Lycidas, 1638. It was also pastoral elegy, written on the death of his friend Edward King. वो कोई किंग नहीं सी, किंग was his surname. उसका एक फ्रेंड सी एडवर्ड किंग. लिसिडस उसने उसनू डेडिकेट करके लिखी सी उसकी डेथ तो फ्रेंड की डेथ तो बाद. Next we are going to talk about the most important work of John Milton. When I consider how my light is spent. He wrote in 1652. This is the common name rakha on the blindness. It was a sonnet. Sonnet means a poem of 14 lines. So it was a sonnet written by John Milton. But why it is very important? Because as I told you earlier in the starting of the video, that in 1652 John Milton became blind. After becoming blind, he wrote this poem. Then how was it possible that he wrote the poem? He took the help of his daughter. His daughter helped him in writing. He told the words to his daughter, and she wrote the poem. So मतलब सोचने वाली गल है कि हाउ डेडिकेटेड ही वॉज. नेक्स्ट is on the late massacre in Piedmont. It was also sonnet to the Nightingale. Now another the most important work of John Milton ਜਿਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ he was quite famous. It was the Paradise Lost, ਜਿਸ ਦੀ story ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ we will do it later videos ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Paradise Lost, he wrote 22 books of Paradise Lost. In 1667 he wrote 10 books. In 1674 he wrote 12 books. These books were published in 1667 and 1674. Must come question है, 100% to 100% sure है, it will come in your master card exam that किन्नियां बुक्स किस ईयर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਗਿਆ Paradise Lost ਦੀਆਂ. It was an epic poem written in blank verse. And another main important question related to this is that which was the longest book? It was 9th. And which was the shortest? 7th. Okay? Listen, one thing I want to tell to all of you, that you have to cram all the works of important writers. Got it? When you will cram these works properly, then you will be able to give the answers properly. Whether it is MCQ, but you have to cram the works, their years, their characters, everything. I have prepared so many shortcut ways to learn these works. Of every poet, of important poets, I have made different type of shortcuts. So keep watching my videos, subscribe for such videos so that कि तुसी कुछ भी मिस ना करो. This Paradise Lost was written in the manner of Virgil's Aeneid. Virgil, Homer ਜਿਹੜੇ अपने बहुत अर्लीयर ਜਿਹੜੇ राइटर ਸੀगे, वर्जल ਦਾ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ Aeneid ਨਾਮ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ ਬੁੱਕ ਸੀ, ਉਸ ਮੈਨਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ Paradise Lost ਲਿਖੀ ਗਈ ਸੀ. In 1671 he wrote Paradise Regained. It was also in blank verse and it deals with the temptation of Christ taken from Gospel of Luke. 4 books were there in Paradise Regained. Next one is on his deceased wife on reaching the age of 24. And another one is very important work is Samson Agonist. जिन्हां वर्क्स ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਸਟਾਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗੇ ਮਿਲਣਗੇ ਸਿੰਗਲ ਸਟਾਰ, it means it is very important. If they are double stars, it means you have to cram anyway. Samson Agonist in 1671. It was a closet drama. Closet drama means which drama which is written not for performing, only for reading. ਸੋ ਇਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਟਾਈਟਲ ਸੀ ਸੈਮਸਨ ਐਗੋਨਿਸਟ ਦਾ ਕਿਸ ਤੇ ਬੇਸਡ ਸੀਗਾ? ਸੈਮਸਨ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ ਵੈਰੀਅਰ ਔਰ ਐਨ ਐਥਲੀਟ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਵੈਰੀਅਰ ਸੀ, ਇੱਕ ਐਥਲੀਟ ਸੀਗਾ. ਦਿਸ ਪਲੇ ਵਾਜ਼ ਇਨਕਲੂਡਡ ਵਿਦ ਪੈਰਾਡਾਈਜ਼ ਰੀਗੇਨ. ਪੈਰਾਡਾਈਜ਼ ਰੀਗੇਨ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਸੇਮ ਈਅਰ ਹੈ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਪਬਲਿਸ਼ ਦਾ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਲੇ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਸੈਮਸਨ ਐਗੋਨਿਸਟ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਪੈਰਾਡਾਈਜ਼ ਰੀਗੇਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਕਲੂਡਡ ਸੀਗਾ. So it is also very one of the important questions that which play of John Milton was included in the Paradise Regained. You have to remember it, Samson Agonist. Got my point? Both were together published, दोनों इकट्ठे publish होए सी. Story जड़ी based on Samson from the Old Testament. Old Testament is one of the part of Bible, one of the holy book. So it was taken from there. Now comes to non-fiction work of John Milton. In the non-fiction works, first one is of Reformation, of pre-letical episcopacy. Episcopacy means office of bishop. The reason of church, government urged against prelacy. Prelacy का मतलब है uncountable or historical. Doctrine and discipline of divorce, of education, Areopagitica in 1644 for the freedom of press. Areopagitica, it is also one of the important work of non-fiction work of John Milton. Areopagitica 1644, it was written for the freedom of press, media. Title किथों लिया? Taken from Areopagus, a hill in Athens. Athens किथे है? रोम दे विच. उथों दी एक हिल एरोपेगस है, उथों इहदा जिहड़ा टाइटल है लिया. Areopagitica was also a speech written by Athenian orator Isocrates. Isocrates ने जिहड़ी एक स्पीच दी सी Areopagitica, उसका नाम सीगा, उथों भी ये जिहड़ा टाइटल है उन्होंने पिक किया. Next one is the tenure of kings and magistrates, a treatise of civil power. Treatise means theory of true religion, the history of Britain. 21 articles were written by Milton in English language, 4 articles in Latin language. So it is also important question you have to remember. Total 25 articles were written by John Milton. Out of them 21 articles were of English and 4 articles were of Latin language. Means they were written in Latin and English languages. I hope you all are cleared with it. Out of these 4 articles which were written in Latin, they were based on divorce law. Divorce ਦੇ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਬਣਾਏ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਗਏ ਸੀਗੇ, divorce laws ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ based ਸੀਗੇ these 4 articles. So remember it. I hope you all are cleared with this video. I have explained everything. We will do the important works of these writers later in my videos. So जिन्हों ने भी हजे तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, you can subscribe my page so that whenever I upload any video, notification goes to you directly and you can watch and learn it easily. So prepare well, keep preparing, keep watching the video, keep learning, keep making your notes so that whenever the MasterCard notice will come, then you will not in hurry that I have to complete this much or that much. When you have done once, at least you will be able to do the revision properly. And when you will revise your syllabus 2 or 3 times, 200% guarantee देनी है that you will crack your exam. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.